everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1057 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to try out this product from Medusa'S makeup. This is the Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. Now that just sounds like my perfect product. I love sparkle and I love lip gloss. I ordered this in the shade Boogie Nights and I'm so excited to try it out. Look at how adorable this packaging is too. So I love that Medusa'S makeup is cruelty-free and vegan. They have 9 different shades of this Disco Queen lip gloss and it retails for $14. And it says it's a thick, glossy formula with extreme sparkles. Sounds perfect to me. I'm so excited to see how this looks. I love the purple color of the packaging. And it's a pretty big lip gloss. Now I want to go ahead and start out with a swatch. Has a small doe foot applicator, which is what I like for my lip glosses. And it has that like classic sweet vanilla-like scent that every time I smell this scent, it just makes me feel so nostalgic, which, sorry, by the way, I should have said Merry Christmas. This video is coming out on Christmas. So speaking of nostalgic, like Christmas always gives me those feels. But so if you're watching this video on Christmas, I hope that you are having an amazing holiday. You know, like this smell to me just goes with Christmas because back when I was a little kid and I would get lip glosses for Christmas, a lot of times they would have this scent, which I love. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch it. Seems to have good shine and it also has the glitter to it. And it seems like it should be like a really nice, easy to wear kind of nude, neutral shade, like a Your Lips But Better shade. So here's what that swatch looks like. You can definitely see that shine. And my lips right now are definitely dry, so I'm interested to see if this is hydrating as well. So I just have one thin layer on right now, and I can already see a lot of that glitter, and I do see that color shift as well, which is really cool. So the glitter kind of changes colors the way it hits the light, which is so pretty, and it definitely feels very comfortable and hydrating. I want to go ahead and layer it up for even more glitter. I'm loving the feel of this. Like it's not sticky. Even though it has glitter, there's no grittiness. It's actually like very small glitter, almost like shimmer particles, which is definitely what I prefer. Like I don't really want a big chunky glitter necessarily in my lip gloss. I want it to be more like that small shimmer, which is almost kind of like a surprise. You kind of have to get up close and really notice the sparkle to the lips. And it's a pretty sheer tint of color, so just very easy to throw on. It could be a lip topper, but you can also just really easily wear it alone because it just kind of looks like you're wearing a lip gloss because it has that really pretty sheen, but then you also get that slight enhanced tint of color and that surprise glitter when you look up close. And it definitely completely hydrated my dry lips. My lips are looking smoothed out. They're looking fully hydrated. So I think this is just all around a nice, easy to wear lip gloss with some sparkle shimmer to it. So if you're looking for just a quick throw on anytime, any occasion, easy lip gloss that has some sparkle to it, I think this is a fantastic option. I know this is something I'm going to be reaching for a lot. I just find it so enhancing, and I love to wear sparkle even in a little subtle way on my lips like this. But when there's that little bit of shimmer, I feel like it just adds to the shine of the gloss even more and helps give that appearance of fuller lips, which is something I'm always looking for. So I would love to know in the comments down below if you have tried out this lip gloss or any other products from Medusa'S makeup, and let me know what your thoughts are. What are your favorite products from Medusa'S makeup? And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.